Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon, also known as UK Curly Girl. And in today's video, we're going to be touching on email marketing, which is something I haven't really spoken about on my channel. And it's also something that has been requested by you guys, so I thought I would dive into it deeper. The email marketing is a way for you to market to people via email. So it's something that you do kind of behind the scenes. It's not a public thing. It's something that is between you and the email subscriber. Only you as the sender of those emails can see how many people have opened, how many people have clicked, and so on. So I'm just going to share with you 5 top tips for email marketing and how you can get started today. So the first one is obviously you're going to have your own store, your online store. Obviously I recommend Shopify every single time, and you can also connect your Shopify store to an email marketing platform. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking about tinyeinsteinai, which is an AI generative platform that you can use to create emails using AI. So you don't have to think of every single idea under the sun. It won't take you forever to come up with subject lines and actual content for your emails. Thanks to tinyeinsteinai, they actually put together emails for you and designs that really align with your brand and your brand's tone. So I really love the fact that tinyeinsteinai can assist you with this when it comes to your email marketing copy and the actual design of your emails. The best thing about tinyeinsteinai is it generates copy that converts. So I know in our head we can put together copy and we just kind of hope for the best that it will convert, but using AI there is proven results that the copy is going to generate sales. So the next step is, how are we going to actually get people to sign up to your email list? This is where you will benefit from having a pop-up on your Shopify store. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with email pop-ups. Pretty much every website that you shop on has one, and it will pop up, and sometimes people have like a 10% off discount if you sign up. Sometimes people don't. It really depends on you as a business, but you will sign up, enter your name, your email address, and straight away usually you will get an email to your inbox to confirm that you're now a subscriber, and they may send you whatever incentive they had in mind when you first signed up. Another way that you can gather emails, especially if you haven't yet launched your website, is by creating a landing page. Now this landing page is going to be the same as what your pop-up was, but it's going to be a plain website page, so you can send people to a link to actually sign up instead of them having to go on your website and wait for the pop-up. This is a great option for those who are in the pre-launch stage. I know myself, I'm going to be creating a new landing page for my business as I relaunch to gain more email subscribers. And what you want to do with this landing page is you want to make it very clear, very straight to the point and simple. Make it align with your branding and your brand's colors, and you may want to even include an image. But you just want to share with them why they should join your list, what they'll get in return for joining your list, and just the simple name and email address. Do not make them enter in 5 different things to actually just sign up to your email list. Make it quick, simple, and easy. Now with this link, you can start promoting it on social media, so you can put it in all of your social media bios. For example, if you have Instagram, I would link it into my Instagram bio, and I would leave in my bio a little arrow down below just saying sign up to our mail list. Another way for you to get people to sign up to your email list quickly and easily is by promoting it on your Instagram stories. On your Instagram story, you should be familiar with the link icon that you can actually put into your story. So you can create an image, you can create a video even talking about your email list, and then just link below to the link for signing up to the email list. Some people are a bit more lazier and they just want to click and get it straight away. So now you're probably wondering, okay, I have email subscribers, now what do I do with them? This is where the content comes into place. So you definitely want to create a few automations. Now typically the standard for businesses is a welcome series, a abandoned cart series, and a thank you series. These are 3 that pretty much every business should have, and the series are basically a bunch of emails that get sent out automatically, triggered by whatever action your customer does. So if a customer purchases a product, your email marketing platform will automatically know, and what it will do is it will send out your automation for that action. For example, they bought a I'll just use my business for an example. For example, they may have bought a satin pillowcase. I can create a whole email automation for people that have only bought satin pillowcases. And then within that series, I can send out up to 2 to 5 different emails on different days. So the first one would be obviously as soon as they have bought it, and that could be like a thank you for shopping with us. Here's a discount for shopping with us again. The next one can be, how are you enjoying your order? The next one could also be, here are a few tips on how to care for your satin pillowcase moving forward. And then, you know, maybe the last one will be some top reviews from other people that have tried the satin pillowcase, or maybe some hacks and different ways other people have used the satin pillowcase for best results. Another series, of course, is your abandoned cart series. That one is super important. So you can have your abandoned cart series. For example, the first email is sent to them maybe half an hour after they have abandoned their cart and not checked out. The next one is 24 hours after they've abandoned their cart, and then maybe you send another reminder 2 days or 3 days after they've abandoned their cart. The key here, guys, and I know a lot of small business owners suffer with this thought, but you may feel like you're bugging that person, but you actually are. If it's the right customer for you, you're actually doing them a favor, because I know personally, I will shop somewhere and I might get distracted on my phone, and I really did intend to buy that product, but I got distracted, or I thought, oh, maybe not today, maybe I'll do it next week. What if that person forgets to do it next week? If you're reminding them, they definitely won't. So just see it as you are helping the customer, you are not annoying them. If you're annoying them, they will simply unsubscribe from your list. It's not a problem. You will find someone who actually does, you know, appreciate your reminders. The next thing you want to do to nurture your list, I know you're going to have your automations, but they eventually stop at some point within your customer's journey. So you want to create newsletters, and this is something that you will send out on either a weekly basis, bi-weekly basis, monthly basis, quarterly basis. And this is more like a conversation with your email subscribers, updating them on your brand, what's going on with your business, thanking them. It could be a newsletter all about Black Friday, what deals you have coming up. These are things that are really going to help you to build a connection with your customers and a community. So I really recommend doing regular newsletters. Your email list does equal money. You can make extra money within your business just by sending emails. If you craft the right email and the right offer, if sales are low on a certain product, I will simply create an email based on that product and maybe give them a discount, maybe not. But after sending that email, I will find a few sales come through just from that email. I know I preach a lot about social media marketing, but email marketing is just as strong. It's definitely something that you guys should incorporate into your marketing strategy. So as you move forward in your email marketing journey, you definitely want to start to analyze how things are going. So you want to track these key KPIs, and those are your open rate, your click rate, and also of course how many subscribers you're getting and what the conversion rate is for your emails as well. And these are things that you want to track over time and improve over time. Definitely check out my monthly reset videos and how I track KPIs for my business video. I'll link them down below, but those will kind of share with you guys how I track my business performance over time. So guys, I will leave a link for Tiny Einstein down below, and I hope this video was helpful. If you want me to go way more detailed into email marketing and maybe show you guys further into my email marketing journey, definitely let me know down below in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.